Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how to put a video in a text like this. So the easiest way to do that is you can use the Essential Graphics panel. So if you don't see this panel, you can go to Window and select the Essential Graphics. So first you have to do is type something. So let's select the text tool and type the same video in text, and you can make this larger, and then you can see that there is a graphic form like this. So you can see that it is open in the Essential Graphics panel. So what you have to do is you have to add your video into this. So you can simply select your video and then just drag and drop it like this. So now the video is underneath this. Make sure you put the video underneath the text. And what you have to do is you have to select this option, mask with text, and you have made the effect. So you can just position it in the middle. So this is the easiest way to do this. So hope you like this video. So until next time, bye.